Project code ITAUR04. Project title Enhancement of ATM Transactions by Implementing Fingerprint Recognition. This is a project title. So the main theme of the project is we are going to develop a ATM transactions using a fingerprint authentication. Fingerprint authentication. So this will enhance our transactions. So the main theme of the project. So what are the real in real time? What we are having abstract in real time. We are using normal ATM card and normal PIN, like 4-digit number 1234 example. Okay. So in case our ATM card is missing means so anyone person can steal our ATM card and anyone try to get her amount. So this may lead to drawbacks. So this real-time drawback is overcome using our proposed method. In proposed method, what we are doing is we are using fingerprint authentication. So only the owner of the card, only the account holder can access the ATM machine, and during the transaction, the ATM machine asks the fingerprint authentication for getting the money. This is a proposed method. So drawbacks and in existing means there is a security is low security. So and then there is no alarm system for fault or duplicate cards, ATM cards, and we need to manpower because if anyone steal or ATM card means manpower is needed to go to our bank and they need to uh, get the amount or get to complain. This is existing drawbacks. In proposed system, what we are doing means, in case of any authentication, we are using biometric fingerprint for secure transaction, and here the security is higher, and there is a less or low manpower needed. This is a proposed system, and then working principle. So how we are going to implement means we are using on microcontroller. Here we are connecting sensors, alarm systems using, uh, and then we are using GSM for OTP transactions. This is a block diagram of the our proposed system. We are using Arduino Mega development board. IC name is ATmega 2560. Here inputs are fingerprint sensor, toggle switch, and then keypad for entering the OTP, and then RFID reader act as a ATM card, and then outputs are servo motor, LCD, GSM, and buzzer. These are the components required. And then this is a hardware description. Here the servo motor, so its operating ranges 0 to 180 degree angle of rotation, and one is its operating voltage is plus 5 volt DC. So, and then toggle switch to enable or disable, and then LCD 16 cross 2 LCD we are using 16 columns and 2 rows. So operating voltage is plus 5 volt DC, and then Arduino Mega. Here you are using Atmega 2560 controller with having pins of 54 pin digital 16 pin analog. Its operating voltage is plus 5 volt DC. And then RFID reader. Here we are using EM18 passive RFID reader. So distance is 10 to 15 centimeter. It will detect the RFID tag. So each tag have 12 digit unique number. So and then here we are using keypad 4 cross 4 or 4 cross 3 model. This one is a column row. This one is a column. So next one is GSM. So GSM is used to for send the alert. First one is when we use for alert. Second one is for getting the OTP. So we are using SIM 800L model. Its operating voltage is plus 5 volt DC. Whether you can send SMS or phone call. So next one is fingerprint model. Here using Adafruit optical fingerprint sensor. Its operating voltage is plus 5 volt DC, and its maximum we can communicate up to 127 users for authentication. And then using a protocol communication is UART, Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter. Using this protocol, it's communicate with the controller. So next one is a buzzer. So buzzer just it's a beep sound, and power supply we are using 12 volt adapter. Here it contains SMPS. So 230 volt to 12 volt DC. From using 7805 IC, we are converting 12 volt DC to 5 volt DC. So these are the components required for the our proposed system. So next one is real-time examples. So where we can use means in ATM security and bank lockers, etc. These are the real-time examples we can use. On the final conclusion of the project, here we are developing a secure ATM transaction using fingerprint RFID reader and then using GSM OTP method. Hence, we developed a secure system ATM transactions, so the existing drawbacks are overcome. Thank you.